What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's a nice day today, nice and sunny. Yesterday I ran the Generation 2 JLB and it was like 97 degrees out. It was super hot. So today seems a little bit better. Anyways, here's the bash site. There used to be a bunch of dirt piles there, but the park rec people, they came and they're building something here now. So this whole area is gonna get transformed. So I better take the advantage and start bashing here as much as I can before it's over. And then I'm gonna have to find a new spot. Anyways, let's just bash and have some fun. Oh, already on its back. It's kicking up a whole lot of dirt. Goodness grief. Wow. It's kicking up a whole lot of dirt. Dang, that thing went on head on. All right, let's see here. Let's see how well this does. Nice little hops. That was a good one, sort of. Good. So much freaking rocks here. Oh. horrible. Uh-oh. Oh, I think the slipper clutch. Yeah, I think it's a slipper clutch. Alright, time to end it here. Alright, let's quickly take a look at the carnage. So the front shocks, well, this one here, the shaft cap, I think that's what it's called. You see how this one is up here? This side fell down here and all the oil came out. It's all over the place. And also, ESC double side tape doesn't stick anymore. And looking at the back, the same with the back. This cap part came down and all the oil came out. Because it's supposed to look like that and it's supposed to be dry. So, man, look at all that oil. Dang. Alright, so that's gonna be a project. That's basically it for today. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.